Here's how to restore WhatsApp messages on your iPhone. First of all, what you need to do is open your iPhone settings, then tap on your iCloud profile name and make sure you're signed into your iCloud. Then go to the iCloud option, tap on See All, and first you'll need to enable iCloud Drive Backup. Without turning it on, you won't be able to turn on WhatsApp Backup. Now scroll down and make sure WhatsApp is enabled as well. And after that, open WhatsApp, go to the settings, chats, chat backup, and first of all you'll need to make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi. Then tap on Backup Now and wait until the upload is complete. After that, you can also turn on Auto Backup to daily, weekly, or monthly, and enable Include Videos if you have enough iCloud storage. After you have done all these steps, you're ready to restore your WhatsApp messages whenever you want on any iPhone. Just make sure you're logged in with the same iCloud account and to use the same phone number while setting up WhatsApp. Then you can restore your chats from iCloud. Hope you found this useful. I'll see you around.